In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a website in the Hostinger website builder. We'll walk through the core edits most people need to make when updating a site, including changing text, swapping images, moving sections around, adding new sections, hiding or deleting elements, undoing changes, checking the mobile layout, and finally publishing those updates to the live website. One important detail to keep in mind from the start is that saving your edits and actually updating the live site are not exactly the same thing, and that catches a lot of people off guard. To get started, go to hostinger.com, open the websites area, and choose the option to edit your website. That will launch the website builder, which is where all of these changes happen. Once you're inside the builder, you'll be able to click directly on the content on the page and make edits visually, which makes the process very beginner friendly. In this walkthrough, the basic edits we're focusing on are editing text, swapping an image, moving a section, adding a section, hiding or deleting an element, using undo and redo, checking the mobile view, and updating the website. These are the changes you'll make most often, so once you're comfortable with these, managing your website becomes much easier. Let's begin with text. Find a headline on the page and click or double-click inside the text box. A helpful way to keep the existing formatting is to click after the last letter that's already there, press space, and then paste in your new text or type it out manually. This can help preserve the font style, size, spacing, and overall look of the original design, instead of accidentally replacing the formatting along with the text. Once your new text is in place, go ahead and delete the old text that was there before. Doing it in that order can make the transition smoother and helps you avoid losing the styling too early. If something doesn't look right after editing, don't worry. You'll also have undo and redo available later. Next, if you want to swap an image, first find the image you want to replace on the page. Click on it so the image controls appear. Then click the photo icon to change the image. After that, choose the replacement image you want to use and click Select. That will apply the new image to that spot on the page. When choosing a replacement, it's a good idea to use an image with similar proportions when possible, since that usually helps the layout stay clean and balanced. If you need to move a section, click anywhere inside that section first. You should then see controls that let you move it up or down. Use the arrow buttons to shift the section above the one directly above it or below the one directly below it. This is useful when you want to reorganize the flow of the page without rebuilding anything from scratch. To add a new section, select the section that you want the new one to appear below. Then click the blue Add Section button at the bottom. This inserts a new section underneath the one you selected, so make sure you're clicking in the right area before adding it. You can also hide elements or entire sections if you don't want them visible right now. Click on the element or section, then click the eyeball icon to hide it. Hiding is useful when you want to temporarily remove something without fully deleting it. If you know you want something gone completely, click the section or element and then click Delete. This removes it rather than simply hiding it, so use that option more carefully. For mistakes or quick corrections, use the undo and redo arrows at the top of the screen. You can also use keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+Z to undo, and Ctrl+Y to redo. This is especially helpful when you're experimenting and want to backtrack quickly. Before publishing, it's a smart idea to check the mobile version of the site. Click the mobile phone icon at the top, next to the desktop view and the undo controls. This lets you see how your site looks on smaller screens, which is important because a layout that looks great on desktop can sometimes need a quick review on mobile. Finally, here's that detail I mentioned at the start. The builder autosaves every change you make, but that does not automatically push those edits to your live website. If you want visitors to actually see your changes, you need to click Update Website. That's the step that publishes your edits to the real public version of the site. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.